Oh man, oh, I'm gonna start cooking now. Oh man, I put all these, salt, sugar, ketchup, and banana. Oh man, oh man, oh man. This tastes so good. Hold on. I think I should put some more sugar because it's sweet. Secret. There. All right. So we put it over there and then mixing it over there in the hot water. All right. I'm already done with that. So yeah, I guess that's it. Oh, is it done? I guess. Oh man, I guess it's almost done. I put the oil. Oh man, it's popping. All right, it's done. Oh man, hold on. I have a lot of dishes. Oh man, hold on, wash my hands. So, oh no, soap will fall down for some reason. I guess that's the food over there. Oh man, they cooked it. I'm gonna search our customer now. Oh, that smells so good. That's like one over. Yeah. All right, I guess you're done, right? Oh yeah, I'm done. All right, I'm just gonna. Whoa, that smells so good. How do I do this? I'm just gonna it's really hard, man. The soup. Put ketchup here? Yeah. Oh man. All right. Oh. I guess this is what you ordered, I guess. Oh man, it smells so good. Hold on, I can get it. You know what? I'll just leave this there. Come on. Hold on. Ow. Oh, let me just get me over there. Yeah. Right. I guess that's done. Yeah, that's good. That's okay. I'm gonna put it over. Alright, so that's your food. Oh, thank you, man. You thought forever. I guess that's it. Oh, so how much is this? $20 out here. Thank you, man. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. Oh man, I'm really so ready. Oh, I'm okay. Alright, I'm gonna eat it.